Welcome to Curious Tot's Corner, where we learn and have fun at the same time.
Farm animals and their attributes. Pig. Attributes of a pig. Smart and sociable animals with a keen sense of smell, often found rolling in mud to keep cool. Sound. Oink, oink. Pigs grunt and snort to express themselves and communicate with other pigs. Horse. Attributes of a horse. Majestic and powerful animals often used for riding, pulling carts and working on the farm. Sound. Neigh, neigh. Horses neigh to communicate with each other and express their emotions. Cow. Attributes of a cow. Gentle and peaceful. Cows give us milk and help keep the grass trimmed. Sound. Moos. Moo, moo. Rooster. Attributes of a rooster. Are colourful and proud birds that announce the arrival of morning with their crowing. Sound. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Roosters crow to establish their territory and wake up the farm. Goat. Attributes of a goat. Playful and curious animals known for their love of climbing and exploring. Sound. Baa, baa. Goats bleat to communicate with each other and their human caretakers. Sheep. Attributes of a sheep. Soft and fluffy animals with woolly coats often found grazing in fields. Sound. Baa, baa. Sheep bleat softly, especially when they're looking for their flock or feeling distressed. Donkey. Attributes of a donkey. Strong and hard-working animals used for carrying heavy loads on the farm. Sound. Hee-haw. Donkeys make a distinctive braying sound that can be loud and melodious. Duck. Attributes of a duck. Water-loving birds with webbed feet, often found paddling in ponds and streams. Sound. Quack, quack. Ducks quack loudly, especially when they're excited or looking for their friends. Cat. Attributes of a cat. Independent and agile animals known for their hunting skills and love of cuddling. Sound. Meow, meow. Cats meow to get attention, express their needs, or greet their human friends. Dog. Attributes of a dog. A dog is a friendly and loyal animal often kept as companions on the farm. Sound. Woof, woof. Dogs bark to communicate with each other and their owners.
Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, as it helps us make good educational contents for you guys. Till then, be good boys and girls to your parents. See you in the next video. Bye.